take a tour with me on a balcony cabin on Odyssey of the Seas. So this was from a recent sailing. We stayed in cabin 10266. So let's just take a look around. So we booked this cabin. It's a 2-berth cabin. I mean, I don't know if the sofa converts because we were just booking for 2 of us. The configuration was the bed nearer to the windows, which I much prefer, and the sofa and the vanity unit at the other end. There was lots of storage in this cabin. So you can see there you've got your vanity and dressing area. And as I pan around, you can see the storage over the bed, and there are wardrobes either side of the sofa. There was lots of storage. You've got your TV opposite your bed. We never use that once, and there's in one of the wardrobes some drawers underneath. One of the wardrobes does have double hanging space too, so lots of storage. There are lamps either side of the bed. These don't have USBs, but there is a plug socket at one side of the bed. There's a safe in the wardrobe. It's a small safe, and there's also shelves and hanging space in that wardrobe. Plus over the bed you've got 2 cupboards. We didn't even use those. That's how much storage there is in this cabin. Panning round to the vanity area, you have got a drawer which has got your hairdryer in. Now, the hairdryer isn't very strong. I took my own hairdryer. You can also see there that there's drawers, so plenty of storage. And underneath the drawer with the hairdryer, you have got a mini cooler, perfect for popping some water in. And this vanity area also had 2 American plugs and 1 European plug, as well as the American plug by the bed. So on to the bathroom, and I love these bathrooms on Odyssey of the Seas. They're really spacious, got a huge corner shower, and again lots of shelves for storage. The shower gel was fine. Last time I went on I didn't really like it, but this one was quite moisturising, but I still do take my own. Overall, this was a great bathroom for a cruise ship. So now we're going to head out to the balcony, and we were on deck 10, which I will go into a bit more in a minute. But you've got 2 chairs out there, a small table, not big enough to put your breakfast on, but morning coffee definitely. And under the chair you have got a footstool, so even though the chair won't recline, you can sit and put your feet up, which was really comfortable. So when you look down on this ship, the lifeboats stick out, and that is why we went for deck 10, because when we were on deck 7 before, you could see them. They weren't obstructive, but they were there in your eye line. If that doesn't bother you, then that's okay, but you can see they do stick out. The bed was super comfy, so I don't know the size of it. It felt huge, but it was a really comfy bed. And overall, this was a great cabin. It was turned down once every day by a cabin steward, and we were able